So in this session, we are going to solve question number 9th and 10th of section B of math question paper 2019. To watch or to see the solution of the previous question, please see my last video. So question number 9 here is, it's from probability. So the probability of selecting a blue marble, okay, from a random jar that contains blue, black and green is 1.5, and the probability of black marble is 1/4. Okay, and the jar, I'm just highlighting or underlining the given numbers, and the jar contains 11 green marbles. So we have given here, okay, probability of blue marbles, which is 1/5. Okay, probability of black marbles is 1/4. Total green marbles, okay, total green marbles given are 11. Okay, so let's say the total probability will be 1, right? And let's assume that we have to find out total number of marbles. So let's assume total marbles are x. Okay, let's assume this part. So in this case, the probability of blue and black is given, so you can find the probability of green marbles will be 1 minus probability of blue plus probability of black. Okay, if you'll solve this, you'll get 1 minus, the LCM will be 20, right? And this will be 4 plus 5, right? So this one will become 20 minus 9/20 equal to 11/20. So here you find out probability of green, okay, probability of green marbles equal to 11/20. So you have given total green marbles 11, so that means total green marbles equal to 11/20 of x, because we assume the total, let's assume total marbles are x. So green marbles you have given, that is 11 equal to 11/20 into x. If you solve it, you will get x equal to 20, right? The cross multiplication if you will do. So that means total marble, number of total marbles are 20. Okay, so this is your question number 9. Moving to question number 10, that says find the value or the values of k so that the pair of equation x plus 2y equal to 5 and 3x plus ky plus 15 equal to 0. So again, what we have given x plus 2y equal to 5, which I can write it as like x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0, and the second equation given is 3x plus ky plus 15 equal to 0. Okay, so if you see this, it is asking to find the values of k for a unique solution, right? Unique solution. So these equations are in form of, if you see, ax plus a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So here from these two equations you can find that a1 equal to 1, b1 equal to 2, c1 equal to minus 5, a2 equal to 3, b2 equal to k, and c2 equal to 15. So we know that for unique solution, of any linear equations, right, it should be a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Okay, so you just put these values over here. So a1 is 1 by 3 is not equal to b1 by b2, that is 2 by k. So from here, if you will equate this equation, you will find that k is not equal to 6. So that means for all the values of k except 6, because k is not equal to 0. So for all the values of k except 6, we'll have the unique solution. Okay, so this will be your answer for this question. Okay, this is question number 10. The next question you can find in my next video. Thank you.